In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SketchUp, a 3D modeling program that's intuitive and fun to use. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, by the end of these 5 minutes, you'll be creating your first 3D model. We'll walk through some basic tools and techniques to get you started on building your very own 3D structure. First up, let's open up SketchUp in your browser. If you haven't already done so, simply navigate to the website. Log in if necessary, and launch the application. You should now see the SketchUp workspace. It's filled with tools and menus. But don't worry, we'll break it all down step by step. Once SketchUp is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the toolbar. This is where you'll find essential tools for drawing, modifying, and viewing your model. Spend a few seconds hovering over each icon to see what they do and get comfortable with their locations. Understanding these tools is crucial as they are the backbone of your modeling journey. Now, let's use the Rectangle tool. This tool allows you to create rectangular shapes on your grid. Click on the Rectangle tool from the toolbar, then click and drag on the ground plane to draw a square. Imagine this as the foundation of your structure, a 2D shape that's about to transform into something more. Next, we'll add some dimension using the Push/Pull tool, which gives 3D form to your drawing. Select the tool and click on the square you just created. Then pull upwards by dragging your mouse. You should see your flat square turning into a 3D box. This is your first foray into creating 3D objects. And as you can see, it's as easy as click, drag, and release. Now that we have a basic structure, we'll add some architectural interest with the Line tool. By selecting the Line tool, draw a triangle on one side of the wall. You might visualize this as the outline of a roof. The Line tool is perfect for adding finer details to your model, making it equally essential as other primary tools. With a triangle in place, return to the Push/Pull tool and click on the triangle to extend it, creating a pitched roof. Notice how the roof materializes, adding more character and function to your model. This really begins to feel like architecture. Every building needs windows and doors, right? Use the Rectangle tool again to draw rectangles where you envision these openings. Once placed, simply press the Delete key to cut them out, creating negative space for doors and windows. This operation is simple, but adds incredible realism to your design. Finally, you'll want to save your masterpiece. Head to the top left menu and click Save to ensure your work is safely stored, allowing you to return to it anytime. And there you have it. A brief tour of creating a basic structure in SketchUp. With these skills, you're well on your way to experimenting and creating even more complex designs. Happy modeling!